Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, I am on the outside once more. Have some little errands to do. So I'm gonna take you along with me. So I'm gonna get the tram, and I'm not gonna go in the ville today because I wanna hurry and get back. So I'm just gonna replace my glasses, guys. My glasses got broken. I slept on it and I don't have any to use at the moment. So I'm gonna see if I can get a reading one until I can replace the original. And I also have a tripod that the handle of it fell off, and I can't possibly get to fit it back, even though I have the screw. No part of it is lost. So I have this little YouTube accessory store that I bought, but that I purchased all my things that I need for YouTube. So I went there and I told the owner of the shop, and he said that I must take it to him. He will repair it for me. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna take it to him to see if I can get it fixed. So I'm gonna buy my tram ticket now. I wanna go on this tram. It is here. So stay tuned. Take a look at the tram. Showing you in the tram, guys. The tram. That's the driver going in right there. Yes, so we are gonna go on our journey now. So guys, look at my new glasses. Do you like it? I went and I bought my glasses. This is my glasses. Tell me, do you like it? I love it. My little store here. This little store here is where I buy all my YouTube accessories. Hello, I'm good. This is water protector for the phone. Yes. Ring lights. No, sorry, that's a massage one. Ring lights. Everything for the phone. These are so little phone that I use to on the glass rather. Everything for vlogging is inside here. Everything. Anything you ask for, it's here. USB card. Phone battery.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, salut, c'est ça ma chérie?
Oui. Ça fly.
So guys, I don't get the tripod fixed because for some reason I don't know what happened to it, and he's not getting it fixed either. But I have another solution, and that solution, me and you guys is gonna do it together. I'm gonna use some super glue on it and see if it will work because it's minor problem. It's minor, but I wasn't thinking of it like that. But with this man, he gave me the idea, so I'm gonna try it and see if it works. So stay tuned. I don't know where we are going, but we are going to. I'm gonna take you there.